AI tools explained. Simply, artificial intelligence sounds complicated, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we explain AI tools in the simplest way possible, so anyone can understand how they work and how they're used in everyday life. What are AI tools? AI tools are software programs that use machine learning, natural language processing, and automation to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tools help us work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. AI writing and content tools. AI writing tools help create blogs, captions, emails, scripts, and even video ideas. They don't replace creativity. They support it by saving time and improving clarity. AI design and image tools. AI design tools generate images, logos, thumbnails, and visuals from text prompts. These tools are popular with content creators, marketers, and small businesses who want professional designs without advanced skills. AI video and voice tools. AI video tools can create videos, edit clips, add subtitles, or generate realistic voiceovers. They're widely used on YouTube, social media, and online courses to speed up production. AI tools for productivity and business. From chatbots and data analysis to scheduling and customer support, AI tools help businesses automate repetitive tasks and make better decisions. Are AI tools difficult to use? Not at all. Most AI tools are beginner-friendly and designed for everyday users. If you can type or click, you can use AI. Why AI tools matter? AI tools are transforming education, content creation, marketing, healthcare, and remote work. Learning how to use them today gives you a huge advantage for the future. AI isn't about replacing humans, it's about enhancing human potential. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy explanations about AI, technology, and digital tools.